what I have. This gotta be spent here, okay? Took a shower just sitting in my 5-star hotel room in Medellin thinking about the future. You know what's the future? Is that you try to guess the future. And then it's just like a vicious cycle that you try to live in the future, but you will never get there because you're always behind in something. This is my first full day in Medellin. I came yesterday. I got myself this beautiful ice cream from this beautiful store. Medellin is really fun, guys. It's just unbelievable how much they have gone ahead of their time with the technology they had. Just going to the bank and I'm gonna show you. This is my hotel. I'm on the 9th floor. It's luxurious. Just look at how advanced it is. Like they have McDonald's, they have that, and it's huge. Like a lot of clothing and like a lot of services. I came to McDonald's on my 2nd day in Medellin. I got this burger for myself with a Sprite. What a spirit. Just woke up on my 3rd day in Medellin. I'm going for coffee and that's my routine in Medellin. I'm gonna go to a helicopter ride eventually and I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, this is how it looks in the morning. He's doing some good stuff. One thing for sure, guys, it's getting harder and harder to make money. It's amazing how like people honor money in Colombia. Like it's one of the only countries that I've seen money gets honored this much by its indigenous population. Just sitting here, just waiting to good things to happen to me. My girlfriend is coming in a bit and we are going to a restaurant where we're gonna celebrate my birthday about 18 days in advance or 30 days in advance, some few days in advance. I'm not gonna do the math because I don't wanna know how long early I am, but yeah. And this is how the lobby looks. This is where we are eating tonight. It's amazing. These two buildings reminds me of Ethereum and Bitcoin. I don't know why. I feel like this is Ethereum. But yeah, this is Bitcoin. So just sitting by these things like in a good weather, like I think in Canada it's like negative 10 degrees and here it's like I'm out with my short sleeve t-shirt. But yeah, so something is always number one and something is always number two. So these two exist, okay? First things first, I got myself this crepe for lunch, I guess. But I'm gonna have breakfast later. I'm kidding. I'm gonna have dinner later. What a feeling this mall has. It's close to my hotel and it's just like, just amazing how everything is here. Sushi, Subway, burgers, everything near me in like 3 minutes walking distance from the hotel. The difference between a $7 meal and a $100 meal, that is $10. That's the beautiful thing about Colombia. Everything is like so valued that you cannot resist coming here. Look at this beautiful exit, like the city of Poblado and like the Medellin, like area of Poblado is so beautiful. It's like they designed this in a way that like it resembles the future. We came karting, as you can see. It was a lot of fun. And we came for skate, as you can see. I have this. Just finished playing skate and it's just like a beautiful night with trees and the moon. And this is lychee lassi. It's the first time I'm having it. And this is the dream of a Colombian, Canadian, Iranian, Mauritian, whatever you want to call it. I don't know where I'm from, but this is good. So we came for breakfast and I'm getting a black coffee. As you can see, it's like the first time I'm experiencing black coffee. So I'm going for a helicopter ride, and I'm gonna take you with me. Enjoy. Just got the Uber, looking at the street art, and yeah, the roads are looking like this. So before the helicopter ride, we came for coffee and water and refreshments, I guess. So look what I got as a gift from my girlfriend, and we are at Airport Olaya. We got our ticket, and look. This is our first experience of like helicopter. Look at how beautiful it is. It's VIP here, it's beautiful. We sit down. We got some snack. We are going to the we landed. I got myself an ice cream from there, and we are going with a rickshaw to another place. Look. We took a helicopter ride for this guy. All the way because of this lazy guy. It's a beautiful day, sun is out as you can see. I showed you the dog. I love him already. So we are currently in Jericó, and there is the statue of Jesus, and it's just like a good weather, as I said. And we came all the way, and we see this guy over there. It's beautiful. Okay. And it's beautiful. all around. And there is a symmetry over there. I'm showing off my watch that my girlfriend bought for me. I love her. So now we are back on the rickshaw and we are in the city. It's like a painting houses, like painted and everything. And my amigo got me this beautiful dessert. There's a horse over here. And we have a friend over here.
Yeah, Dougie.
Just walking by the edge of the universe at the edge of time. And there is a parasailing happening over there. That guy must be having a good time. But you know who is also having a good time? We are having a good time.
We are having a great time here. Thank you, Chris, for this magnificent gift, this beautiful day. It is
Yes, sir.
an amazing experience.
And we are back. Bye bye.